Huge cumulative red lick delta here, which is kind of, to me, set up for a squeeze essentially. I like that you just shared Ave, 30-minute shorts near the range low. I'm not saying it's like insta long, but it's setting up for the squeeze, right? So if you get a higher low, call it 78, just looking at the chart there is a potential for a squeeze back to the mid range at the best case scenario, in my opinion.
So the thing about this chart, and I think this is one thing that I've learned, and I think 52 skew and some other guys look at coin margin versus spot to see like where the initiation is. You see all those green circles right there at the bottom, 6 of them. That means that people are long in the lows, and like for me to see like delta reversal moves, like I want to see more shorts there or no one getting in position, because it just like means that if that drops, then those longs get taken out, and if more longs come in, and I constantly try to remind myself of this because like Filecoin was a great example. I'm like, look at how many shorts are in this. And then I started seeing longs coming in at the lows, and I was like, I've been here before. I know this is not going to work. So I'm going to cut this. And sure enough, like the thing literally fell off a cliff. And so maybe there's something specific with this, I don't know what was going on there, but that's always something that I'm very cognizant of is if I see green circles, and, for those listening, green circles are positions entering, essentially longs. But then if you drop, what is that? The granularity, you just boost a little bit there.
Well, this is Filecoin actually.
Oh, okay.
I'm seeing
so here,
huge red delta, but but no longs coming in there.
No longs are coming in, and those are red. So this is a prime candidate for a squeeze. And I stopped looking at it just because I was like, I lost the trade. I don't want to talk about it. But now it looks interesting again because people are literally afraid to buy it or whatever the case. But there's no longs coming in. There's shorts coming in at the bottom. And if you get a market move up, Filecoin's probably going to be, I would expect it to be explosive just based on these two based on that chart. Where Aave has those longs, that never sits well with me because it tells me that there's probably more spot selling than perp buying, people just getting long on leverage.